right, here's the finished product, guys. It's dark now. The darkness caught me, but there's your finished product. Chrome grill. Unfortunately, I don't have a flashlight or anything, but I got the headlight on my.
Can you see?
No.
Oh shit, that's too far.
But if you plug it into that extension cord and bring it over here, I can see. All right, this is RubyLee. We just installed a custom honeycomb grill we had made. Waiting for the bottom to show. And this is what your finished product looks like. Yeah, put it in the middle. My scooter's dead. Shit. Oh.
That's good?
Yeah, I guess that's good. Alright, that's it, y'all. That's your finished product right there. Blind Guy Installations. That's right. Done deal. Installed. Next video will be the lower grill. Chrome.